Welcome to Amuna Miso TV. Apa tikuona press release yomwe yatulutsidwa kuchokera ku timu ya Phyzix. Pa social media pa yakhala ikutrenda. Anthu akunena kuti atsikana awiri ya mu timu ya Fizo anapangidwa halasi ndi artist wina. Artist amene mwachidziwikire ndi Pop Young. Pop Young akuti anapanga halasi mmodzi mwa atsikana awiriwa. Andi Fizo ndi timu yake atulutsa press release. Press release ili motere.
On the evening of Saturday, July 6, 2024, Phyzix, accompanied by 6 friends and family members, attended a UMP event at Blues in Blantyre, where he delivered a surprise performance alongside Teddy McCarty. Following the performance, Phyzix and his entourage retreated indoors at Blues. During this time, the female members of the group, whilst heading towards the restroom side, encountered an incident involving an up-and-coming artist in the country. The said up-and-coming artist wanted to get the attention of one of the female members but was brushed off. Upon being brushed off, the artist proceeded to physically pull the lady towards him against her will. This was done despite her clear refusal to engage. The artist continued to attempt to speak to her closely and privately in the ear. The female promptly informed her companions of the incident, which she said she found to be inappropriate. In his capacity as the leader of the entourage, Phyzix intervened by confronting the up-and-coming artist regarding what was reported to the team as harassment and generally inappropriate conduct. Phyzix was personally appalled by this behavior from such a talented up-and-coming artist. Initially, when approaching the artist, Phyzix did not know who it was. He subsequently realized that it was Pop Young. The artist repeatedly mentioned his name to Phyzix, possibly with the hope that Phyzix would downplay the situation. However, knowing that the person was a fellow artist did not change the situation. Phyzix still felt like the wrongful behavior was still supposed to be addressed regardless of the status of the perpetrator. Acknowledging his wrongdoing in the presence of witnesses, the artist offered a sincere apology to both the female involved and Phyzix. Importantly, there were no instances of physical altercation or violence throughout the incident. The inappropriate conduct of the artist was witnessed by several other people present and was captured on CCTV footage, which is available for verification. Phyzix concluded the matter amicably, reassuring the artist that he harbored no ill will and reminded the artist that Phyzix has in the past extended support to the artist through his social media platforms. Phyzix further emphasized the importance for young celebrities to avoid a sense of entitlement and to respect personal boundaries, particularly towards women. Phyzix encourages all men to uphold and defend the safety and dignity of women in all circumstances. He further would like to remind all men that the answer to what amounts to inappropriate and unwelcome physical contact can only be answered by the complainant of the behavior and not the perpetrator nor onlookers.
Imeneyo ndi press release imene yachokera ku timu ya Phyzix. Maganizo anu ndi otani pa incident imene yakhala ikutrenda ma social media apo pia ngomalemba zawo tani ya Phyzix samayankhapo kalikonse. Ndi apa ndi chifukwa chake Phyzix wangotulutsa press release ndi timu yake. Maganizo anu ndi otani pa press release imeneyi.